Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, over the last few days I've highlighted to you in the videos that the next milestone for Bonk, for the bulls, is to reach the 138% extension level here of the initial potential 1-2 setup as per the yellow scenario. Wave 1 to the upside after a possible larger degree wave 2 bottomed here on Monday the 24th. Wave 2 corrective pullback, and then now a possible third wave rally could unfold. I'm not entirely sure about the microstructure. I think it would have to be a diagonal pattern, but still we normally want the 1.38 extension of the initial 1-2 setup to reach to call it a viable third wave. Normally when that level is reached, I will add a support zone for the wave 4, which I've done earlier today, already shared on Discord. We have here an ABC structure in wave 3, then after an ABC in wave 1, ABC in wave 3, wave 5 should also be an ABC. Can you trust this pattern? No, but it gives us enough, let's say, it adheres to the levels well enough so that we can add the next support zone, because we moved down into support. Now, I mean, Bonk respected the levels really well. From this support region, we've seen a rally. Up here somewhere, we were looking for a top. We moved down into the next support zone. Until yesterday, I had a resistance area here, which I've now taken off because we have reached the next, let's say, milestone. But the price reacted to resistance a few times after rallying from support. And yeah, so, you know, it's adhering to the levels. So I think now it's time, not yet to confirm the beginning of wave 4, but to look for the wave 4, to watch for it. It could happen from here. Just because it reached the 1.38 doesn't mean it has to top here. It could still extend a bit higher. If it pushes higher, we have another level to watch. Actually, I should maybe add another couple of levels just to highlight to you what are the next upside fib levels that matter, because Bonk is respecting them so well. Like here, again, the 1.38, a very important level at 317525. This is where a fourth wave could start, but it really just reached the minimum expectation for a third wave in the yellow count. Bear in mind, this could also be the bearish count here, a B wave top, but because it's long enough, that potential third wave, we can add a support zone and we can watch the bullish count until it breaks. But yeah, I mean, there's no, it wouldn't be a surprise for it to extend a little higher. For example, to the 1.618 extension at 349835, or the 1.786 extension to 374602. So that's possible. When can we say that this pullback has started? Difficult to say. I think the earliest signal would be a break below the 50% fib level of the last rally, so 289793, but it's not very reliable. So it's all about, you know, understanding where the risk is, and we're far away from support now. We've actually rallied into resistance, into the next target range for these third waves. So pay attention now for a potential pullback in wave 4. It's not necessarily confirmed yet. If we zoom in a little bit, it looks more, yeah, it's too small. I mean, it might be a tiny 5-wave move down, but that is just too small. You know, you don't normally trade, well, at least you don't trade altcoins based on Elliott wave, based on these micro patterns. I would say the chances are there that the wave 4 has started, but we don't know it yet. Good news is that if it starts, then it has a chance to hold a higher low, okay? Because the third wave is long enough. So the parameters should be clear. We're far away from support. We could still extend higher. But yeah, I think if we get that pullback, there could be another opportunity there. In the same way that this support zone has provided an opportunity all along. You know, we've had multiple attempts, but it's starting to move higher and higher. And I've been flagging up Bonk as one of the more bullish charts for a while now, because especially here between April and May, it rallied in 5 waves, which is always, well, at least not bearish, at least not bearish. So yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.